So guys, you've already got here, you've got to the GS Trophy, you've set up your tent. How did that go? I can imagine it was pretty funny to do. Yeah, we're really sad we're not at the GS Trophy with you guys. Even the bikes are sad. Look, they're so dusty and they're really unhappy as well. So this challenge is, you've got to the GS Trophy, you've set up your lovely camp, you're nervous about riding, but the first thing we've got to do is actually get riding and get warmed up. And obviously for this challenge, they've picked the most athletic, the fittest instructor of the Off Road Skills team to do this challenge, because this is the fitness challenge. So, the fitness challenge. We've got to get our kit on. The challenge is, kit on in the fastest time. So when you stood with your shorts and t-shirt minimum. And then we're going to get our kit on as fast as we can, and then do a little bit of exercise. We've got to do, now the rest of the instructors say 30 of each exercise. I'm kind to you guys. Let's do 10 of each exercise. 10 press-ups, 10 sit-ups, and 10 star jumps. Right, helmet, boots, gloves, everything. Everything we can. Race shirt first. Obviously, GS Trophy, race shirt from last year. Is it the right way around? Oh yeah, here we go. Now we're cooking. Whew. Boots first. No, I forgot. I haven't rinsed for so long. I don't even know what to put on myself. Oh. Always smart, tucked in, not scruffy like Kev. Brand new for the season. Haven't even worn them yet. Here we go. Vents open for this. Definitely vents open. I'm going to do my helmet up before I do my gloves. Okay. Thinking back to all them warm-ups that Jenny and Gwyn do. Here we go. So, 10 press-ups. Woo! 10 sit-ups. 10 star jumps. 5, 10. Stop the clock. There you have it, guys. There's your fitness challenge for the virtual GS challenge. So it's full riding kit, helmets, boots, gloves, all done up properly, zips and all nicely done. 10 press-ups, 10 sit-ups, 10 star jumps in the fastest time possible. Go have fun, be creative, and yeah, hope to see you on a bike soon.